traveling through the Northwest stirs up all sorts of memories of when I was a kid. I can remember the smell of the dry southern Oregon pine forest and the way it sounded waking up to the soft voices around a smoky campfire. As my mind drifts back and forth through my history, I can't help but think, what will my kids remember about this journey? What smells, what sounds, what places will they reflect back on when they're older? Move days, as we've come to call them, are tough. Not just because it means packing up our little house, but because it so often means leaving behind the friends we made at that particular place. So as we said goodbye to our journey overland, we did our best to distract the kids as they slipped away in the reflection of our rearview mirror. Plan was to first head down to Craters of the Moon National Monument, then to Yellowstone, head down to Jackson Hole in the Tetons, and last to Glacier to round off our Northwest National Park tour. Alright, well, laundry's done, batteries are charged, water is full, and we are headed out to Craters of the Moon. Not sure if we're going to stay at the campground or disperse, but we're going to go check it out and see what we can find. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead, I'm ready to go. Alright, we made it to Craters of the Moon, and now we're going to go into the visitor center, see if we can get some information, maybe find a patch for the old travel collection, and yeah. Well, we got our patch signifying that we have actually been to Craters of the Moon National Monument. But we did find out that all the caves are closed due to earthquakes and them being slightly unstable or needing to be assessed to see if they're stable. So that's a bummer because that's one thing we were really looking forward to is the caves. So, oh well, better luck next time. I guess that's 2020 for you.
Between the sun and the princess have your pink pen? Tender red, flat out on a beach bed. Working on my fishing skills in a little boat that I rent. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacation's been more heaven since. Between the sun and the deep blue sea, tender red, flat out on a beach bed. Between the sun and the deep blue sea, my feet in the sand, green umbrella drink in my hand.
Alright, we're about to hike up a lava mountain, lava hill, but it's all made of lava rock, so we're going to hike up to the top of it.
Between the sun and the deep blue sea, tender red, flat out on a beach bed. Between the sun and the deep blue sea.
It was hot in this volcanic desert, and we had lots to see. But, like all adventures with young kids, what you planned and the reality of what they'll tolerate are two entirely different things.
Come back tomorrow. You know it's not enough that I can make you laugh. Why try to borrow even more time you never have? It's too late, too late, too late, too late. Slide down the rooftop. Slide down the rooftop. It's too late, too late, too late, too late. You'd have to rebuild me from the ground up. From the ground up. There's always something, and I can try to change, but you want something else. Why cut off your wings? You could change the world and I'd still be a mess. It's too late, too late, too late, too late. Slide down the rooftop.
I don't think that was
Slide
I think
down
that was an old
the
one.
rooftop. It's too late, too late, too late, too late. You'd have to rebuild me from the ground up. From the ground up.
It's not Buffalo, it's Bison. Buffalo, like in South Africa. This is what it looks like. Third coat is the way down a mile trail. And it's breakdown city time. Alright, when all else fails, Mom takes the kids back, and I'm gonna see the tree molds. I think this is the first time I've been by myself since we left on this trip. Never realized how much I value alone time until you're stuck in a box with the family, I guess, huh? These are tree molds. They're not all that much to look at. I thought it would be more dramatic, but just a hole in the ground. Tree molds. The volcanic tree molds we were searching for were vastly different than I'd imagined and a bit anticlimactic if I'm being honest. But any time alone is valued time, so I soaked up the hot sun as I took my time wandering back to the family. On the road, as in life, there are peaks and valleys, ups and downs. Sometimes things are great, and other times we'd just rather be home. But the one thing that never changes is the unexpected. Around every bend in the road, over every hilltop and valley, there's something unforeseen to be experienced. And for some, this is the great decider between living a nomadic or traditional lifestyle. For me, though, I've always been an explorer. I've never seen a trail or mountain that didn't stir something inside of me, and no amount of material possession will ever quench that desire that lies deep inside. But this is why we chose this life, not because it was easy, but because what I fear the most is the road I travel will be exactly what I expected.